guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today my sister is making a window curtain for my window. Yeah, where else would she make a window curtain for, right? My door? Well, yes, that's exactly what it is. I don't know how to explain it, but it's the back door to my window and a back door to my window. Okay. So it's my back door and it have that square glass, like a rectangle piece of glass through, and you can see on the inside from outside. And as we were decorating for Christmas, she said, let's get some material to make it. Well, she told me to get 2 yards of material, me not knowing anything. I got one because I'm like, why would she need such a big piece of material? Well, apparently she wanted to double the material so that when you're on the outside, you get to see this instead of this. But me, being a know-it-all and know nothing, got 1 yard, so the curtain is going to be made, and this is what I'll see, but if somebody come to the back, that's what they're going to see. So this apparently, which I'm supposed to turn over, which is the term for turning this thing inside out, I'm supposed to do that, is she already sewed it. It's going to tie the material. And this is something I'm going to use just for Christmas. So I can see I'm just getting in the way, but I'm trying to learn how to sew. So she's going to sew this real quick, and I'm going to be able to deck out my back window. Door window. A window in a door. So I'm never going to learn how to do this. I'm kind of awkward. I can't use machine and stuff like that. So she's going to sew this for me, and I will show you guys the end product. But first she's just going to sew. So, oh, go ahead. So she's just sewing it. My twin, y'all. My twin, that's 2 years older, but looks 3 years younger. So jealous. So this is DUI back door window curtain. I'm kind of silly. This is kind of fun trying to get this thing to go inside out. It's a lot more fun than you would imagine. So we kind of turned the living room into a little, what is it called? Like a, I don't know, sewing room. And she made some window curtains earlier for my bathroom. And she made, what else did you make? Shower curtains and stuff. I'm going to show you guys that at the end of this video. After I show you this put up, I'm going to show you the rest of the things she made. She made me a whole bunch of stuff for my home. Custom made, baby. Leandra design. So I don't know if I can get, am I supposed to get this out? Am I supposed to get that little thing out? So I have this beautiful Christmas color. That's going to be my back window door curtain. I don't know what that thing called. But you know, that little square in the back of your kitchen door. Well, probably not yours, but in some kitchen. So you're just sewing it. Just like sewing into a little rectangle. And then this is going to be in the middle to hold it, to bring it in. I don't know. Kind of like I don't know. It's going to look like that. The middle is going to go in, and then the two ends are going to be out. But you'll see. You'll see. Just hang on a little bit. I'm getting my sewing lessons, which I'm not paying attention. There was a lot of details coming before this. And to be honest, it's just not for me. I know my strength and my weakness. My strength is talking, even though I can't pronounce words. Because, like, whatever you're good at, that's what people keep saying. For her, it'd be like, oh my God, girl, you can design it, man. They can't believe that you met that. And you know, other people like, oh my God, are you draw that? You're talented. So whatever it is that people say, oh my God, you do, that's your true talent. And for me, it was like, oh my God, girl, you chat so much you can't shut up. So talking is my talent, and I just figured that out. After 42 years, I figured out what my true talents. So she's the designer and I'm the talker and the set. Oh my God, that's funny. So what happened now? She's gonna make another one for everyday use. This one is just for Christmas because it was Christmas time and she was here visiting, so she's making me all these beautiful things that I love. So she's finished. She's just putting it up. I think I like it. I really like it, Andrea. Uh-oh, she lose something. What did you lose? Now I don't have to worry about someone just walking up to the back and looking in. Oh, look, what do I have there? Oh, my Jamaican thing with my key. So even though this is the back door, this is the door that I use the most because especially in the winter when it's cold, because my car is right outside this door. That is so pretty and it's not done yet. She's gonna put the tie in the middle. So guys, this is the finished look. I love it and it's gorgeous. And I'm back to the fabric store tomorrow because she wants to make some napkin for the table out of that. Hi, bye. Now let me show you the curtain I was telling you about earlier. So this is the bathroom thing that I told you she made for me. So that's the towels. And this is the shower curtain. And I think I show you this in another video. But as I just said earlier, I wanted to show you the things she make for me. So I really like these things that she makes. And then my napkin holder to go with that. And the window curtains. And she makes me other sets as well, but this is the one downstairs. And she just made me a whole bunch of nice stuff. So the house just look, you know, like I personally like it. So that's all from my sister Andrea, her company Liana Design. I just absolutely love her stuff. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.